Before you begin this job, place a drip pan at the front of the motor to catch the small amount of oil that may leak out, and open the coolant reservoir to release the pressure in the system. Loosen the oil filter housing lid until you can see the sealing O-ring indicated by the green arrow. This allows the oil in the filter housing and filter to drain back into the engine oil pan. Using a small flathead screwdriver, unclip the upper radiator hose retainer and remove the hose from the oil filter housing. Allow the coolant to drain into your drip pan. Disconnect the center electrical connector by pressing the release spring and pulling it off. Green arrow. Remove the E10 oil filter housing fastener, indicated by the green arrow. The fasteners are different lengths. Mark the locations to help with reinstallation. Remove the two E10 oil filter housing fasteners, indicated by the green arrows. The fasteners are different lengths, so mark their locations for help when reinstalling. I like to use a long extension for the fastener under the intake manifold. Attach a swivel adapter to your socket to help fit it in. Yellow arrow. Pull the oil filter housing away from the engine and remove. Thoroughly clean the oil filter housing mounting surface as indicated by the green arrow. Place the housing on your workbench, then using a small flathead screwdriver, remove the seal. Install the new gasket into the oil filter housing, then install the oil filter housing onto the engine. Be sure to align the dowels properly. Install the oil filter housing fasteners in their previous locations. Tighten the oil filter housing fasteners in a crisscross pattern. Reconnect the oil switch electrical connector, then reassemble the engine in reverse order of this procedure. Remember to top up the engine oil and check for oil leaks when completed. Top up your engine oil, fill and bleed your cooling system. Please see our tech articles on servicing your cooling system along with other articles for your car at the link at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.